iOS 16 is now available for all devices. The must-waiting iOS. Now you can update with the latest features. The supported device list is here. How you can update? Let's go to the point. First, make sure that Wi-Fi is connected and the battery must be 50% to hour. Now, my iPhone is on iOS 15.6.1. Go to Setting, scroll down, tap on General, tap on Software Update. Now you can see iOS 15.7 update here. Here at last, the option to upgrade to iOS 16. Tap on it. Tap on Download and Install. Tap on Agree. Again tap on Agree. Now the update is requested. Wait for the complete download of iOS. This may depend on the internet connection that you have. Now download complete. Connect charger and tap on Install now. Wait for update process to complete. This may take some time. Now update process is complete. Enjoy the new feature with iOS 16. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share it with friends and subscribe to support us. We are always waiting for your feedback. Keep dropping your valuable comment. See you in the next video with more informative content. See you soon.